Hello everyone, we are at the Embedded AI Vision Summit in Santa Clara, California. Hi Henrik.
Hi.
Thank you for hosting us.
Yeah.
Can you elaborate a little bit why it's important for Alif to be there and why this partnership with Mountain?
So one of the things that we have tried to do from the very beginning at Alif is essentially to allow microcontroller users to run their AI workloads locally on the device instead of just having the device act as a data pipe to the cloud and have all the compute done in the cloud. And especially when it comes to vision-based application, we want the devices that our customers create to be able to process the video locally on the device so that all they have to do is send metadata to the cloud. And you have such a good reference of exactly how to implement that in the IBEX camera that you've developed.
Yeah, thank you very much for that. We really appreciate it. What struck us is that by combining our software stack, the Alif chipset directly, and this enables to run cloud-grade AI models like the YOLO V8 models, for instance, directly on a microchip like yours. And the beauty of it is we can deploy it in one click, saving a lot of months of development time from a firmware side. And as we understand, the people who are working in Python on the cloud and data centers are a bit different from the people who are customizing embedded AI. Is that correct? So we're trying to simplify this job in a way that it makes it easier to move from one infrastructure to the other.
I'm a little bit jealous at the people that get to do all the work strictly on the cloud side because constraints don't exist there. It's like my model is now twice as big as it was last time I trained it. Doesn't matter, put another server in the rack, it will be able to do it. And then also that ease of use, as you mentioned, because when you have infinite compute capacity, things like deployment, you don't really have to, spend a lot of time thinking about that. But for embedded devices, that can be a very big stumbling block. And the way that you have orchestrated the enablement around your system to be able to deploy with a single click, it's going to save so much time and headache for users that, it's going to open a lot more avenues for people to be productive with technology in general. One of the things that makes me really excited is when we can work with partners like you and we can essentially communicate what you're seeing when you're taking these cloud-grade models and you're optimizing them for constrained systems, because it essentially acts as proofs for people that are, I'm going to design a system, I want it to be able to do these things. Will I be able to do that? And you're essentially the proof point that they need in order to kind of get over the hump and go, yes, I've seen it done, so why wouldn't my system be able to do the same thing? So.
Well, thank you so much again for having us. One last word, maybe?
Well, you should watch this space because Mountain and Alif are going to do some really cool things together over the coming months. So stay tuned.